Hey everybody, Tad Stevens with Evergreen Reviews here, doing a quick review on John Crestani's Affiliate Marketing 101 course. I've also included the modules in the course as well, and if you stick around to the end of this video, I've got a free 7-figure affiliate marketing checklist that I'll give you just for watching. So hang around for that. Any questions, let us know in the comments below this in YouTube. Or if you're not in YouTube, you're watching this someplace else, just send us an email to service@microsuccessful.com. And again, stick around the end of the video for the free 7-figure affiliate marketing checklist, and let's get going.
Guys, welcome to this section on research. Now, research, I believe, is the most fundamental, but the most important part of affiliate marketing. A lot of people glaze over this because they think, oh, research is boring, it's meaningless. Research sets up everything you do. You have everything built if you've done your research right. When I do research, you figure out exactly what works, exactly what's working in the market. You know exactly what targeting to use, exactly what ad to use, exactly what landing page to use, exactly what offer to promote, exactly how much you will be making. By doing good research, you figure out exactly what you need to do. You could forget everything else beyond this section. You know, you might want to learn about the interesting skills such as like data optimization or analysis or copywriting or how to write stuff. Research is everything. You know, within research is like sexy things like how to choose the right ad network or how to choose the right ad or figuring out an ad that works every time. But I'm calling this skill research. So I'm just going to post this up here. Okay. So this is how you start from an already profitable campaign. If we can already identify somebody doing profitable marketing, we've already done 99% of what's necessary because the last 1% is just doing it, right? So how awesome would that be? Starting from something you already know works. That's how I start every time. It's rigged. And this is actually the #1 skill Elon Musk talks about, and it's called backwards engineering, okay? That's really what research is backwards engineering. So let's talk about what backwards engineering means and how to backwards engineer an affiliate marketing campaign, okay? I'll start with a mundane example. We have a car, right? We have a car, we have an engine, we have windows, and an exhaust. Now, backwards engineering is when you separate things into their constituent components. This is the #1 skill of any business, by the way. What a lot of people do in business is they start with what they think is going to work. Well, you know, I heard that, you know, you could, you know, drop ship from Amazon from this dude, and you could sell, you know, you could get these chairs produced for super cheap, and like you could import them to America, and then sell them on Amazon for cheaper than somebody else is listing them on Amazon, and you just make a lot of money. And so I'm just buying a lot of stuff that I can find cheaper on Alibaba, and then I'm selling it on Amazon. That's a good idea, right? In this example, the guy talked to his friend. That was the research, one conversation with a friend. He doesn't know how successful his friend is. He doesn't know how rich his friend is. He doesn't know if his friend is still doing this business or has ever done this business to make actual money. So that's faulty research. And you don't want to base whatever you're doing on faulty research. Even listening to me, if I say, hey, look, the magic solution, guys, is step 1, step 2, step 3, profit. The really smart way to go about things is to backwards engineer things yourself and figure out, you know, well, 1, am I really making money online? Is there proof? Are there indicators that I'm making lots of money online? That I know what I'm talking about, or am I just spouting research? At a certain point, you've got to just trust people, but at the same time, there is a degree of backwards engineering you should do. Hopefully you guys can trust me at this point, but at the end of the day, you still should understand when you're launching your affiliate marketing stuff, you want to backwards engineer things from the start. So how do you backwards engineer affiliate marketing campaigns? So let's say affiliate marketing campaign is a square, and the way you see everything is this is an ad, right? This is an ad you see on a website, right? This website. Now, to backwards engineer the components of this ad, you have to take it into a couple things. One, you have to understand the targeting. How did this ad appear on this page? How did I get shown this YouTube video? That's all called targeting, okay? That's all called targeting. I'm just abbreviating things. But how you end up getting shown a YouTube video, how you end up getting shown a blog. When I Google, make money online in Google, how does Google decide what shows up at the top, right? How do they decide to show my website or somebody else's website? This is all called targeting. That's one component to backwards engineer. Backwards engineer targeting, everything's different. On some websites, the targeting is done by categories. On Facebook, you might see an ad because you visited that website previously, or because you're a male between the ages of 30 to 35. Or you might be seeing an ad because you are living in Singapore. You might be getting a YouTube video suggested to you because you also follow this other YouTuber. So you have to understand, you have to break down either the algorithms, or you have to break down the ad stuff, the ad targeting, the ad targeting, to figure out how is that going on. And there's a whole science to that, and what we'll do is we'll do a role play later on, kind of going in on my computer, showing you guys how this works. Another thing to break down is the ad itself. Organic traffic, let's say, when a video or a blog or a post is suggested to you in Facebook, Google, or YouTube, what is the headline of that post or that video? What is the image? If there's an image, in a Facebook thing, what is that video or image or thumbnail that's showing up on Google, YouTube, or Facebook? What does the description say? All of these things are important, or maybe they're not important, but the point is look for similarities. When you're perusing YouTube, do the videos that show up have catchy headlines or non-catchy headlines? What do they say? How are you being targeted, etc.? Okay? So you have to think about the ad. The next thing you always have to think about is the landing page itself, or whatever, I call it the lander. The landing page, if it's an ad, or if it's an organic traffic, if you're on YouTube, it's a video. What is the content of the video? Is it engaging? Is it somebody that's kind of like boringly talking to a thing? Or is it like crazy, like, hey, what's up? YouTube, what's going on? We are, hanging out with 1 million piranhas, and I'm about to jump in this river with 1 million piranhas and see if I live. Let's do this. Is it exciting? Is it interesting? Engaging. How is it engaging? What does it say? How does it keep your attention? What does it look like? Does it look like a blog post? Does it look like a news article? Does it just look like a video? Is it just a video? Etc. And the last part is, what are they promoting? What is the offer they're promoting? What is the affiliate offer they're promoting? Okay? So you could look at some of my videos, for instance, right? I shoot a lot of videos on YouTube. And one thing you'll see is I talk a lot about affiliate marketing, making websites, blogging, vlogging, etc. One of my affiliate links is for hosting. You see a hosting link, get a free website. And I have a link in my description. get a free website, that's an affiliate link. What's happening? The targeting is I have a lot of followers and I have a bunch of similar channels that I show up on, right? You could see the videos that I show up on. Maybe my video is how to create a really high converting website, right? And the ad is just like maybe like a picture of me like pointing at something. You know, that's the thumbnail. When people click on the video thumbnail on YouTube, they go to, you know, a video page. And, you know, there's my video. You know, then I have all these links, right? What is the video content? The video content is my lander. In this case, you know, my pre-sell. I think that's a better word, pre-sell. Now my pre-sell is my video talking about creating websites. But of course, in this video, you know, you can set up a free website. And I say there's a link in the description. Just I'm sure there's a link in the description for this video. And so the link is the offer. And it's johncristani.com/BH, Bluehost. And Bluehost pays me, I don't know, they pay me thousands of dollars every month. Let's put it that way. So that's my pre-sell. And now my offer is Bluehost. So they click on the link to get free website, and that's my offer. And boom, you know, that is an affiliate funnel from start to finish. Another affiliate funnel can be somebody puts an ad on Facebook to women over the age of 40. So they're targeting women in the US over the age of 40. So that's the targeting. And then the ad might say, see her incredible transformation. See her incredible weight loss, you know, journey. That's the ad headline, incredible weight loss journey. And it shows a really, you know, fat woman on the left-hand side of the image and a really skinny woman on the right-hand side. So you're like, ooh, okay, this person went from fat to skinny, right? That's the whole story. For people who are fatter or, you know, bigger, they want to get to the right side of the picture, right? That's obvious. So maybe they'll click because they want to understand, how did she do it? How did this incredible weight loss transformation happen? In this case, the pre-sell might be a news article because Facebook is news. You know, Facebook has the news feed, and what do you put on the news feed? You put news. So it might be a news type article of a weight loss transformation. And then the offer in this example would be some sort of weight loss product, Nutrisystem, or, you know, some sort of thing to help people lose weight. So that's an example of another backwards engineering of an affiliate campaign. Now, you want to do your research completely. When you're looking to start doing affiliate marketing, whether it's through organic traffic on Facebook, Google, or YouTube, or whether it's through advertising on Facebook, Google, or YouTube, you really want to understand some other people who are doing similar affiliate marketing stuff, and you want to backwards engineer their campaign into its constituent components. Break it apart and understand each of the different elements so that you can do it yourself. But if you aren't looking for actual examples of what works, if you're just going off of what one broke dude said he heard on a webinar, that doesn't constitute research. It doesn't constitute research. Now there's more advanced ways of doing research, which we're going to go into other videos, but this is the basic element, backwards engineering things, okay? So I hope this has been useful. Hope you guys are freaking getting pumped up because we're moving along. You guys are understanding the psychology of the work to do. What I would invite you to do is take some time, go look at some ads or some organic stuff, find some affiliate links. You can look at any of my stuff, you'll find millions of affiliate links on everything. I'm an affiliate marketer for everything. But look for other things and find other YouTubers or Facebookers or Instagrammers or Pinteresters or ads or whatever that are affiliate links. They're all over the web, and start breaking them down and try to figure out the targeting, copy the ad, copy the lander, and I put all this stuff in a swipe file, which I'll talk about. But start figuring that stuff out. Start using your reticular activation system. Start checking these things out. So hope that helps. Forward to seeing you guys in the next video.
So how was it? let me know in the comments below. Send an email to service@microsuccessful.com. I'll post a link to the free 7-figure affiliate marketing checklist at the end of the video here in just a second. Plus, I'll also post a link to John's super affiliate system, which, full disclosure, I am a member of. I have purchased this. I use it every day, and I think it is an excellent course. So watch for those 2 links in just a second. Any questions? Let me know, and we'll see you on the inside.